How to build a personal brand to help your career path and personal growth. When you first enter the world of work, it can be a little overwhelming. How do you find something that pays well, is fulfilling, and gives you room to grow? As we get older and our responsibilities increase, finding a job that suits us can become even harder. This video will explore how you can build a personal brand to stand out from the rest when applying for roles. What is a personal brand? A personal brand is the way that others perceive you. It is the image that you portray both in person and online. A personal brand can be broken down into 3 categories: visual, verbal, and digital. Your visual brand speaks to how you look, how you present yourself, and your appearance. Your verbal brand speaks to the language that you use, the way you communicate, and the way that you interact with others. Your digital brand speaks to your presence on social media, your website, and any apps you have, and gives insight into what you do online. You can decide how you want to be perceived and what you want others to take away from it. Once you have this knowledge, you can start to create a personal brand that will help you advance in your career and find work that suits you. Your personal brand allows you to be noticed and stand out. How can a personal brand help your career? Your personal brand is what will help you find a job that is right for you. Personal branding is not just for those who are just beginning their career. It is important to keep working on your brand as you progress and gain more experience. Your brand will make it easier for people to find you and see what you have to offer. This will make it easier for you to find a job that you enjoy, and that will help you gain more skills and experience to make you more valuable to your company. Having a personal brand is essential to your career growth and success. It can help you find a job that is suited to your skills, qualifications, and experiences. With an effective personal brand, you become more visible in the job market and have a higher chance of being noticed by potential employers. Additionally, having a personal brand gives potential employers insight into what kind of employee or colleague you will be in the future. This makes it easier for them to decide whether or not they want to hire you or invest in your professional development. Build your visual resume with a professional Instagram account. The first thing that people will see when you take a step towards creating a personal brand is your social media accounts. This is where people can get insight into who you are and what you are interested in. Instagram is a great place to start, as you can upload images, videos, and even a few short paragraphs detailing your interests. Many household brand names have created a visual brand that they portray through each of their Instagram accounts. You need to keep a few things in mind when creating your brand. First, you need to choose a theme that is easy to understand. You also need to make sure that it is unique to you, as you do not want to plagiarize anyone else's work. Finally, you need to make sure that it will last as long as you are working. This means that you shouldn't choose a theme that is trendy and will be forgotten in a few months. Build your verbal resume with an e-resume and portfolio. Next, you will want to build a verbal brand. This is where you want to think about how you speak and how you interact with others. This is an important part of your brand, but it can also be worked on throughout your career. As you grow, you can keep evolving your verbal brand to ensure that it stays true to who you are and how you want to be portrayed. Your e-resume is a great place to add links to your portfolio, social media accounts, and any other websites that you want to host your work. This way, hiring managers can see your work, even if it is not posted anywhere else. Your portfolio is a place where you can upload any work that you have done. This can be writing, creative pieces, or even photography and design work you have completed. Having an online portfolio is a great way to show hiring managers what you can do and allow them to see your work on their own time. When creating your e-resume, it is important to remember that the visual presentation of your personal brand should be consistent with the way you talk and think. This means using a similar typeface and color scheme in both your resume and portfolio, as this will help tie everything together into one cohesive personal brand. In addition, you want to ensure that all of the information included in your e-resume is up to date, so potential employers can get an accurate picture of who you are and what you have accomplished. Final words. Personal branding is not something that can happen overnight. It is a long process that requires you to be consistent and authentic. Once you have built your brand, it is important that you stay true to it as you move forward in your career. This will allow you to keep getting more opportunities and help you advance in your career.
Be sure to like and subscribe. And check out the links below.